What's been your experience so far in KIF?
KIF, it has been a mixed emotion for me because I'm coming to Kolkata after 10 years. I did my diploma at SRFTI in direction and screenplay. So I'm coming here after 10 years. It is quite overwhelming also because, you know, this was one of the first film festivals that I ever attended. And to be able to participate here with my film, it's great.
Talking about your film, what was the initial inspiration or the trigger for you to make this film?
I think my own life, because this film is also very personal. It is based on my own experience and experiences of women around me. So yeah, after I went back to my village, completing my studies here in SRFTI, I went through certain things and I really wanted to, make a film about it. So that's how it started.
Being a woman filmmaker in Sikkim, itself lots of challenges. If you could talk about that.
I think not just women filmmaker, I think because our film industry is at a very nascent stage, just to be a filmmaker, because in our state, the norm is to do a government job, So to do something related to art, to filmmaking, I think it takes a lot of courage. So yeah, it has been challenging for us, because also given the indie scenario in India, and specifically to make a film in Nepali, which because also it is a minority language to say, until and unless you don't make it in Hindi, it is very difficult to find distributors for OTT platforms, also to release it in theaters all over, so it is very challenging.
If I ask you, in this whole journey of yours, do you have any role model or somebody who inspired you all through this journey?
Absolutely. I think masters like Satyajit Ray, and for me, I think filmmakers from abroad, especially Nuri Bilge Ceylan from Turkey, he's been my inspiration. Just to be able to tell the story that you want to tell, because there's so much pressure from the market to tell certain kind of stories, because this is what is working in the festival or this is what is working in the market, to have people like him tell stories that they deeply believe in. I think they are my role models.
Going forward, any future plans, upcoming projects you are thinking of?
No, this has been quite overwhelming process because I'm also one of the co-producers in the film. So in an indie film, you become the director and the producer. So just going from one festival to another is in itself a huge task, So while I'm here, our film is also selected for Panorama, IFFI. So while I'm here, I'm also preparing for sending materials as a producer to the festival. So yeah.
And the last question, a lot of youngsters are watching this. Your message or advice to the young, especially the girls, if they want to follow the passion like how you have followed, your advice to them?
No, I think just believe in yourself and don't get discouraged, because it is very challenging task, to do. So I think you have to believe in yourself. Also find people, like-minded people. Especially for me, what has been an advantage is because I studied in SRFTI. It has been easier for me to find like-minded people, to find people who believe in a cinema, in the kind of films that I make. So it is very important to do that.
Thank you for the interaction.
Thank you so much.